Good morning. Happy Monday to everybody. This is Mornings with Michael. This is the Monday edition. If you turned into my weekend update, my PowerPoint did not move forward, so I'm going to try to rectify that a little later today. But in the meantime, I hope everybody had a great weekend. And Mornings with Michael is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. So much like I predicted last week, with the VIX pulling down on Shooting Star, I thought that the markets would bounce back today, and they have indeed bounced back slightly today. May continue that on Tuesday, and then we'll just kind of have to take a look. But let me share the screen. We'll take a look at what's happening. This has been one of the best performing assets in the semiconductor area. Looks like they're pulling into a triangle formation. This could either go up or down. Volume on their retreat has been really low, and that's what you want to see. So we'll just have to wait and see. The other issue that has a similar chart pattern is AI. As you can see, they have a triangle formation. I'm just waiting for the earnings to come out. They're almost duplicate cousins, so to speak. But let's take a look at the dollar. The dollar is pulling back. It gapped up on Friday, and now it's filling that gap. So if the dollar continues to go up, it's going to put a lot of pressure on our multinationals and the stock market. So something we got to continue to watch as the dollar pulls back, gold bounces up a little bit. Silver can't seem to shake out of it. Notice that natural gas had popped up on Friday. It continues to kind of trend up. It's up another 4% today. Take a look at oil. Oil prices are pulling back less than 1%. And let's take a look at crypto. Crypto is not doing too much, less than 1%. It's Bitcoin and Ethereum is up a little over 1%, not really moving one way or the other. Let's take a look at the 0TNX. The 10-year yield is pulling back a little over 0.5%. And I believe the 20-year yield is doing about the same. It's less than a 0.25% pullback here. So we'll have to continue to watch those. The NASDAQ, which had been our leading index, is popping up here a little bit, almost 1%. S&P 500 doing about the same. The Dow Jones, a little over 0.25%, and the small caps had been up earlier a little bit more, bounced off its 20-day moving average, moving down. As you can see, once they've fall under these moving averages, they tend to be resistance. So we'll just have to wait and see. There's some talk about the Federal Reserve bumping up interest rates to 0.5% at its March meeting. So we'll have to take a look at that and see. If I was looking out, I'd really be strongly looking at an annuity. An annuity allows, a lot of annuities are paying 25 to 35% bonus when you put your money into them, and then you still earn about 6 to 9% interest going forward, and you never and it's a step up policy. Once it steps up to this level, it doesn't pull back like in this area. So that's my feeling, that if you don't want to worry about your 401k turning into a 201k, or your investments pulling back half, and then there's never any guarantee you're going to get that money back. So that's my feeling about one of the best opportunities. It allows you to sleep at night. So that's kind of overlook for right now. We got some meetings coming up on the calendar we'll have to take a look at. But in the meantime, I hope your week is off to a great one. Monday, we'll push into Tuesday and keep your goals in front of you, keep your activities moving strong. And if you have any questions about your personal financial goals, feel free to text me at 415-828-7997. This has been Mornings with Michael for educational, informational, and entertainment uses only. And we all hope you have a great week.